Are you obsessed with Cult Gaia? That's great! Me too! Today I want to show you how to make a square neck tie front blouse from a men's shirt. Hello, I'm Sunju and welcome to my channel, Upcycle Clothing Designer. If you're new to my channel, I teach easy ways to upcycle clothing using thrifted clothing, vintage clothes, and fabric scraps. Learn how I transform denim jeans, men's shirt, and plain old t-shirt into brand new clothes. Check out my website for tons of great upcycle clothing projects. The shirt that I used for this Cult Gaia inspired project was 100% linen, which was perfect for the summer season. I used a few different methods than I normally use to finish the neckline and also add elastic around the sleeve. Follow along to learn a new approach to sewing techniques. This top looks super cute and I'm so excited to share a tutorial with you. Let's get started! For this Cult Gaia inspired blouse from men's shirt tutorial, start by deconstructing the dress shirt. Use scissors to detach the collar and neckband. Cut both shoulder seams and across the back yoke. Cut off the button and buttonhole placket. Also, cut both side seams to detach the front piece from the back piece of the dress shirt. To make the square neck blouse pattern, use the front piece of the original men's shirt. Measure a 10-inch line across the bottom. Measure 13-inch up from the bottom line. Draw a straight line across to guide the top opening. To make the armhole, measure 8-inch away from the center line. Draw a diagonal line to the bottom corner to mark the side seam. Measure 5.5-inch away from the center opening and draw a line that intersects the side seam. Cut along the line to make the front piece of the square neck top. To make a matching piece for the front of the blouse, copy the square neck pattern onto the other front piece of the original men's shirt. To make the back piece of the square neck blouse, fold the back piece of the men's shirt in half lengthwise. Copy the square neck pattern. To make the facing for the back neckline, use the yoke from the original men's shirt. Measure a 1.5-inch wide piece of fabric that matches the top back opening. To complete the back piece of the square neck blouse, attach the facing to the back neckline with the right sides facing together. Top stitch along the folded line. Flip the facing over to the other side and 1/8-inch fold the edge. I use an iron to set the fabric and make it easier to sew. Top stitch along the folded line. To make the tie front straps, use excess fabric to make 6 straps that are 1 inch by 16 inches. Fold each strap in half and sew along the edge. Use a loop turner to flip each strap inside out. To make the facing for the front of the blouse, use excess fabric measure two separate 1.5-inch wide pieces of fabric that match the top front opening, and two pieces for the center chest opening. To attach the tie front to the center chest opening, mark a point 1 inch down from the square neckline. Also, mark 4 inch and 8 inch down from the top opening. Pin a tie front strap to the right side of each marking along the center chest opening. Pin the right side of the facing to the center chest opening on top of the tie straps. To complete the square neckline, attach the facing to the top opening with the right sides together. Flip the facing over to the other side and 1/8 inch fold the edge. I use an iron to set the fabric and make it easier to sew. Top stitch along the folded edge. To attach the front to the back of the blouse, lay the pieces on top of each other with the right sides facing together. Pin to secure and sew along the side seams. To make the poof sleeves, use the sleeves from the original men's shirt. Measure 14 inches away from the armhole. Draw a line across and cut. To match the armhole of the blouse, measure 3 inches up from the bottom armhole. Start at the mark and 1/2 inch fold around the top of the armhole. Pin to secure and stitch to make a tunnel. Then, 1/2 inch fold around the sleeve opening, pin to secure and stitch to make a tunnel. Cut two pieces of 1/4 inch wide elastic band that are 13.5 inch long, and also two pieces that are 9.5 inch long. To attach the elastic to the sleeve opening, use a safety pin to slide the elastic band through the tunnel. Sew both ends of the elastic band together. To attach the elastic to the armhole opening, use a safety pin to slide the elastic band through the tunnel, pin to secure, and stretch the elastic while sew along the top of the armhole. To finish the square neck tie front blouse, attach the sleeves to the bodice by sewing along the underarm seam.
Lastly, 1/4 inch fold and hem the bottom opening. Tie cute bows with the tie front straps to complete this Cult Gaia inspired blouse from men's shirt.
Thank you so much for watching this Upcycle men's shirt tutorial. Hope this square neck tie front blouse teaches you new ways to sew elastic and neckline finishes. Follow the step-by-step picture instructions on my website. You will see the link in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your square neck tie front blouse with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. Leave a comment below and share what project you'd like me to try. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!